So today in this video I am going to share that how can you take page number from any page. So look, this is my Google Doc and there is a total 5 pages. So I will start my first page number from here. So there is another page here. So at first you have to take your cursor here where you exactly want to start from your first page. Then go to the insert and go to the break options, and there is a section break. Okay, so look, there is a one empty page. So go to the backspace and delete that page. So now you have to go to the insert again, then page number. I will choose this one. Okay, so look, my first page, this is showing that this is page number 1 and this is page number 2, but this 2 will be 1. So how can I do this? So click here and click the options, then page number, then you have to click here and you have to apply this one. Look, this is showing that this is my page number 1, but there is another page number 1. You can just cut this page number. Look, my page number is starting from here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is how you can take a page number from any page. Thank you for watching my videos.